The light rail system, which is a sustainable transport infrastructure, is poised to be a national game changer. It will give a boost to societal development, change mindsets, create new jobs and small and big businesses, and above all, contribute to alleviate poverty. Going to be laid, and the first phase of the project, that is a stretch from Rose Hill to Victoria Square in Portway, will be operational in September 2019. In this respect, the 18 light rail vehicles comprising the fleet of Metro Express will be here as from April next year.
My deepest conviction that building modern and appropriate infrastructure is one of the most powerful ways to promote equity in our society. The Metro Express must therefore be viewed in the broader perspective of my government's vision to transform the socio-economic fabric of Mauritius and lift up the quality of life for one and all, and not just another mode of transport. I am glad to see the Metro Express project taking shape, and I look forward to see the real LRVs arriving and making their first appearances in the Mauritian transport landscape. I wish to assure the nation that I am personally seeing to it that the three imperatives I have set for the Metro Express project are strictly complied with, namely quality and security, timely implementation, and no cost overrun. I thank you.